In this video, we will go over our top colour trends for Spring 2019. Raspberry is fun and energetic with lots of life. With its bright floral hue, it suits springtime perfectly. I'd suggest using this colour sparingly in towels and accessories, rather than a full wall, which may seem a little too bold. This spring, Marigold has emerged as a contemporary take on the classic yellow. It's warm, bold, inviting, and known to encourage feelings of happiness, satisfaction, and relaxation. Perfect for a springtime shower room or ensuite. Replicating nature and enhancing mindfulness, this is a brilliant multifunctional colour. Early spring green will help to enhance feelings of independence and change. Paired with earthy tones, it can create a genuine sense of calm and tranquility. Perfect for a cloakroom bathroom or a quick spring-summer revamp. Dusky pink is the on-trend colour for spring 2019. It's clean, light and airy, and when paired with marble or glossy tiles, can make a very classy statement. Pink is known to encourage insightful thoughts, self-knowledge and willpower, perfect for this optimistic time of year. Amethyst is quite a diverse colour and is similar to the ultraviolet Pantone's colour of the year for 2018. We've revamped this colour for spring 2019. It provides a sense of elegance whilst conveying a touch of myth and mystery. This colour is also known to impart a sense of wisdom, virtue and importance. I'd suggest using it sparingly as an accent colour in your bathroom. Mink is our final colour trend for spring 2019. It's warm and inviting, neutral and super easy to incorporate into a colour scheme. Natural, organic colours like this make us feel fulfilled, providing a sense of belonging and reassurance, combined with a range of shades and tones for a truly mindful bathroom.